Making a quick pickle with carrots. So what I've done so far is I've shredded the carrots. You can make thicker pieces if you like. I like it thinner because it absorbs the spices faster and it's ready to eat right away. Thicker pieces usually would be easier on the terms that you can store it for a day or two longer than you would on a normal basis for these ones. So what I've done so far, after shredding the carrots, I have put salt and pepper, red pepper to taste. I'm going to add some ginger paste here and garlic paste as well. So more for the ginger rather than for the garlic part. Okay. So let me move the camera back here a bit, because garlic is a little overpowering taste, so you might want to add a little bit more ginger than the garlic part. Okay, and then you add some cooking oil, vegetable cooking oil, so corn oil or canola, whatever you have basically on that part. I have canola oil in our house, so we'll just do that. Then we will basically have to mix it with by hand or spatula. I find it easier by hand, and let it soak in after it's done. Now you can add, if you feel that the salt and pepper that you put in is not enough, the chili, you can always add more later and just make sure it's mixed well. So we're just going to make sure all the spices are blended in. And this is basically the easiest recipe for making a pickle that's ready to eat kind of thing. So now I feel that this is ready. So we can just let it soak in a little bit, and then we'll add a little bit more oil, so basically preserves it. Now I might add a little bit of pepper once I've tested it out to see what the taste comes out like, and if it's not to my liking, I will add some more. Other than that, this is ready to eat. Enjoy.